Hello students, welcome back to e-classes of Computer of Standard 11. Let's start our next topic of chapter number 1 is interactive objects. Interactive object means an interactive system or computer program is designed to involve the user in the exchange of information. Example, interactive teaching methods. For a multimedia presentation to be effective, it should have maximum interactivity. The user is given button or hyperlink for navigation in multimedia presentation. When these interactive objects are clicked, the flow of the presentation changes as per the user's choice. All the media elements are supported by latest internet browser in different ways. Some media elements can be handled inline and some require plugin. Inline media objects are specified inside the program using a specific inline media object tag. The inline media object element contains a set of alternative graphical objects. Graphical objects means video object, audio object, image object, and additional textual description may be provided with the text object. Next one is a plugin. Plugin is a software component that adds a specific feature to an existing computer program. It can be easily installed and used as a part of the web browser. Example of plugin are the free Macromedia Flash, QuickTime Player, and Acrobat Reader. Macromedia Flash Player is a plugin that allows the web browser to display animation using the Flash format. Next topic is classification of multimedia. Multimedia is classified into two types. First one is interactive multimedia and second one non-interactive multimedia. Interactive multimedia normally refers to products and services on digital computer-based system which respond to the user section by presenting content such as text, image, animation, video, audio, and video games. In interactive multimedia, the sequence and timing of media elements can be controlled by the user. Example of interactive multimedia are social networking websites such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Second one, video games are another type of interactive multimedia. Third one in smartphone, if you are using apps or application, is also an interactive multimedia. Non-interactive multimedia refers to those services and systems which are not directly connected by the people. In non-interactive multimedia, the user simply watches the media as it plays from beginning to end. She has no control over the flow. Example of non-interactive multimedia. First one, watching television. We can only watch it but cannot interact it. Second one, we can watch movie in theater but cannot interact it. Third one, a conference where you can listen experts speak. Fourth one, a theme park attraction where you sit in a seat and enjoy the ride but can't do anything to control the experience. One-way communication is linear and limited because it occurs in a straight line from sender to receiver and serves to inform or command, but nothing goes back in return. This image shows the example of teacher and student of one-way communication. Some other examples of one-way communication include television, radio, newspaper, writing, speech, and performance. Two-way communication, when person is the sender and they transmit a message to another person who is a receiver. When the receiver gets the message, they send back a response. Some of the most common examples of two-way communication systems are radio, telephone, computer-aided dispatch system used by police, fire, and emergency response personnel. This image shows the two-way communication between sender and receiver. Another classification of multimedia is based on its application. First one is entertainment. All type of games, movies are example of entertainment multimedia. Second one, edutainment. All types of educational series are example of edutainment multimedia. Thank you, students.